What's up, guys? Your boy Catloco. So tonight I got everything all soldered. I got everything wired. I got everything loomed like how I want it. So basically this is what I have. I have my switch box. I have my power cord, my OBD2 connector, and then the blue PCM connector. So basically how this is going to work is I'm going to plug my PCM into here, my HP tuner into my OBD2, and then like I said, on A I have my power switch that's going to turn the power on, and then I'm going to have B, which is my ignition, and that's gonna like turn in the key. So that's basically it. I mean, I got it exactly how I want it. It's pretty clean if you ask me. Nice and loomed up nicely. Let me know what you think. This is a very simple design. PCM connector, OBD2 connector. You got your switch box. You got your fuse on it so you don't burn up your PCM. Power, ignition. That's it. So let me show everything connected. So basically this is what you're gonna have. You're gonna have your PCM plugged in into your new bench harness, and then you're gonna have your new HP tuner or your old one plugged in here, and then like I said, you're gonna have your power. Turn your power on, turn your ignition on, and then just start your tuning, flashing on the HP tuner software. So I mean, that's basically it. That's the idea behind it. These switches here, I can put a second one if I wanted to. Probably won't, but this is the new HP tuner, the MPVI2. So this is why I got everything set up how I do. But I hope that video helped you. I'll try to put another video of me actually using the software and plugging this all in, getting it working. I just didn't have time tonight. Hopefully this weekend I can create a video of showing you guys me actually using this on my computer. I have a Mac also, so I gotta go load up a Windows laptop with it. But anyway, hope you liked the video. Hope you guys are building your own bench harness at home. We're close to 4,000 watch hours. I think hopefully in the morning I would hit 4,000, but we'll see. As always, remember to like, comment, definitely subscribe, share if you want. Peace.